Hey, it's Archdad, and there's a new version of Davinci Resolve Studio that just got released last night, I think. So I'm going to try to just update from the current version of Resolve that I'm running. So let's open up Resolve and see what we're currently working with. Oh, it says there's the update available. So I've already downloaded this, so I'm just going to skip that and just create a new project so I can look at. Yeah, there it is. So 20.3.1 is what I'm currently on, and 20.3.2 is the new one. So you can head over to the DaVinci Resolve website, and you can download the newest version right from there. Make sure to get Studio. If you're not using Studio, there's the other version, and I think this upgrade technique or this path still works, but just in case, this again is going to be for DaVinci Resolve Studio. So what I'm going to try here first is not making any modifications or not changing anything other than placing the new version of Resolve, which is right here, into the same folder that I was using before. And hope for the best. Hopefully it works, because I know last time there was a lot of messing around. So hopefully just for an update from 20.3.1 to 20.3.2, this is going to work. So just like last time, we're going to change or rename those folders PKG and SRC, because if we keep them like that, it's not going to work for this new version. So going to change PKG to PKG back, and then do the same for SRC. So now when we look, we got back, and the new one is here. So I'm just going to highlight that right now and copy the name, because we need to get the hash for that. So SHA-256 sum, that new file name. And if you remember from last time, we just need to get that new hash for this file to update the package build so that it can compare it and ensure that it's dealing with what it expects. So let that run for a few seconds until it spits out the result, which we're going to copy and paste. There it is. So just double click on that, right click, copy. So now sudo nano pkg build, change the version. So what we used last time was 20.3.1. So we're going now to 20.3.2. And then I got my font so big, I was wondering why that was so far down there. So the first line of the SHA-256 sums, we don't need to change the second one, just change the first one. Paste in the output from that SHA-256 sum command that we just ran. Control X, save, yes, save it as package build. Now, it should be as simple as make pkg-si. See if it's going to work. So it's correct, and it's looking for 20.3.2, and it's validating the hash that we just generated and then updated in the package build file. Just gonna make this full screen for now, because it's going to start filling with all kinds of stuff right away. And it passed, so that's good. And it passed the panels as well. So now it's extracting the sources. And if I remember right from last time, it just worked from this point on. But that was an upgrade from 20.2, in the 20.2 range, I think, not the 20.3. This is the first update that I've done, not a fresh install in the 20.3. So I'm hoping that I don't have to go through all the same workaround as last time. I'm trusting that having that workaround already done during the initial install is going to make this work, but we will see. So I'm just going to speed this up because it's going to take a little while, and I'll catch you on the other end when it's almost done. All right, my password. This is looking good so far. What is my password? Oh yeah. All right, proceed with the installation. Yes. All right, this is looking good. No errors up to this point. Okay, it seemed like it worked. There's a warning for directory permissions on the license, but I know on initial install, we have to change the permissions on that license file or it won't work. So anyway, it looks like it worked. So let's try this out. Prime run, opt resolve, bin resolve. Twenty point 3.2 success. It works. Okay, that's really good to know that we don't have to go through that same process as last time for an update. So yeah, I hope that helped and just shows how easy it is to do the update. It's just as simple as getting that hash, updating the package build with the version and that hash, then renaming those old directories, pkg and src, and then running make package and then launching. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. Otherwise, yeah, I'm going to start editing this one that I'm just recording right now with my new updated version of Resolve 20.3.2. I'll catch you later.